Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best record players that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Wakoder record player. The turntable wireless record player by Wakoder has inbuilt stereo speakers and 3 speeds up to 78 revolutions per minute with a belt drive turntable. The casing wood has a rubber or spring foot pad that works as a shock absorber to minimize vibration and improve sound quality. It has a unique vintage design that can be easily incorporated into your interior design as a stylish decoration. Moving on at number 4, we have Victrola record player. The Victrola wood Bluetooth record player has a 3-speed turntable that moves up to 78 revolutions per minute and an inbuilt FM stereo radio. It has a Bluetooth receiver to play music from your phones, laptops, or tablets and an RCA output to connect external speakers and cables. This product is designed as a replica of the traditional style's record player. However, the unique features give it a modern touch. There is LED lighting around the dial for effect, and there's a wooden casing that serves as a protective shield for longevity. This device is a perfect blend of traditional and modern styles. At number 3, we have AudioTechnica LP60XBK. The AudioTechnica fully automatic belt drive stereo turntable is a simple design record player with an automatic turning operation and 2 speeds up to 45 revolutions per minute. It provides high-fidelity audio for quality vinyl sound with a tonearm and cartridge designed to minimize resonance. At number 2, we have eisen Bluetooth record player. The 3-speed record player by eisen can fit 7, 10, and 12 inches records and has a built-in speaker for quality sound production. It has a Bluetooth connection that lets you connect your phones, computers, or MP3. It is a belt-driven record player with 3 adjustable speed levels up to 78 revolutions per minute. There's an RCA output for external speakers and cables and a 3.5mm aux in to connect audio devices. It has a polished wood stand with a vintage design and can be easily incorporated into interior decoration. And finally at number 1, Crosley C62 vinyl turntable. This vinyl turntable by Crosley comes with 2 small-sized speakers and an inbuilt amplifier for quality sound production. It also features a Bluetooth receiver to connect to your mobile devices and play songs from your digital playlist. It has an adjustable aluminum tonearm to steady the record as it spins, mounted on an at 3600 moving magnet cartridge. The cartridge is placed on the disc to play the record. You can switch speeds on this turntable with the 2-knob design for 33 or 45 revolutions per minute and connect the speakers through the RCA output. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.